Hello friends, welcome back to automationtestinginsider.com. This is SQL tutorial part 16 and today we are going to talk about SQL full outer join. Like I'll show you how do we write SQL full outer join. So in the last video we have seen right outer join and before that left outer join. So this is full outer join query, guys. So let's get started with the definition. Like what do you mean by SQL full outer join? So full join creates the result set by combining result of both left join and right join. The result set will contain all the rows from both the tables. The rows for which there is no matching, the result set will contain null values. So basically SQL full outer join returns all the records from left table as well as right table. I would say matching rows and non-matching rows. So let me explain with the help of diagram. So this is table A and we have another table. This is table B. So let me just write simply table 1 and table 2. We have two tables, guys, table 1 and table 2, and we have this is right table and this is left table and this is matching rows between these two tables. So it retrieves all the records from left table as well as right table and all the matching rows as well. So let's get started with the example query. Okay, so we have been using these two tables, employee detail table and project detail table. Employee detail table, we have all the employee records like employee ID, which is primary key, and we have first name, last name, salary, joining date, department and gender, all the records of the employees. And we have corresponding project detail table where we have employee ID as foreign key. So this is the common field between these two tables, so that's how we can make the relationship. And we have corresponding project name which are assigned to all the employees, like we have this employee ID1 ABC. So this employee ID1 is assigned to three projects. We have ABC, DDC and GHI. Similarly we have employee ID2, this is the project, and couple of projects, new projects are there which are not assigned to any of the employees. So let's write a full outer join query, and I have problem over here. The query, the question, get complete record employee name, project name from both the tables, employee detail and project detail. If no match found in any table, then show null. So how we show null values? Okay, because we want to get the records from both the tables, so we have to use here full outer join query. So how do we write? So select star from employee detail E, alias I'll use E, and here we have to write join. So full outer join project detail P, and here we'll get all the records, employee name and project detail. Okay, so E dot employee, E dot first name. If you want last name, you can get the last name as well, first name, and P dot project name from employee detail E, full outer join project detail P. On, we should have common fields, right, between two tables. So E dot employee is the common column. Okay, so P dot employee ID, and instead of full outer join you can write simply full join as well, that is also fine. Or let's write full outer join and then I'll show you full join as well by writing full join. First we'll run using this full outer join only. Okay, so here we write the joining. Okay, instead of, I mean, last time we have seen left outer join, we used to write over here. If you want to apply left outer join, then you have to write left outer join. If you want to apply right outer join, then you have to write right outer join over here. Okay, now order by, right, order by, we have from both the tables. If no match records, I think order by is not required because here there is no orders, but anyway we can write like this, first name. Okay, so this will retrieve all the records. Let's see. So here you can see first name, we have selected first name and project name from project detail. So null, this new projects, we have couple of projects which are not assigned to any of the projects. So you can see in the left table null values. Okay, so it irrespective of whether we have null values or not, it will retrieve all the records. And similarly you can see in the right table we have some null values, the employees which are not assigned to any of the projects, I mean they are not assigned to any of the projects, so here we have null values. Okay, and here we have new projects which are not, we don't have any what we can say, employees in the employee detail table. Okay, so this is how you can get the record in this full outer join. And yeah, instead of this full outer join you can simply write full join as well. So this is also fine, there should not be any error. Okay, here you can see execute, it will retrieve all the records. So this is how you write full outer join query, guys. And in the next video, very important topic, and this is interview question as well, like how do we write self join and why do you use self join. Okay, so this is very important. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and share this video, and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.